Hey Shooby Doodlers, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to draw popcorn, real easy, like a little box of popcorn. So we're going to start by drawing a nice line down like that, one across, and then let's go up the other way like that. Let's twist that around a bit there, make that square. Maybe go up a little bit there as well. Now I'm going to draw an oval or an ellipse there like that. Then I'm going to write popcorn, C-O-R-N, and then we imagine a line going straight the way across there. We're going to draw a line down the middle, and then we'll do the same there in between, do the same there in between, do the same there, and then that's going to want to come down that side, and that will want to come down in the middle. So you're kind of splitting in between these lines and then going behind the popcorn oval like that. And then you want to do nice little curves across the top like that. So draw the popcorn on the top, and they want to be kind of weird, sort of lumpy shapes, but don't make them too kind of round. Make them just kind of like that, and then we're just going to build them up on top, like laying bricks, I suppose, in a way, but they're kind of weird popcorn-shaped bricks. So you're building a wall out of popcorn. Just keep coming up like that, and we can maybe put another bit in there because it does kind of fill out, doesn't it, the edges, and just keep going until you think you've got enough. I think that's probably the thing to do. Maybe I'm going to do another one there and another one there, and then, you know, in popcorn you get the little sort of dark bits, so just kind of put some little dark bits in every now and then. It'll just give it that extra popcorny look to it, into these little areas. And then all you have to do is to colour it in, and there you have your packet of popcorn. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.